Macao has been, for hundreds of years, centuries, seen as a window of cultural exchange.
That mix of cultures, it gives us a very different perspective on what is happening in the world.
Macao is a place that is very easy to interact with everybody. You learn a lot from different cultures.
University of St. Joseph is a Catholic university in China. Its history can be traced back to the first higher education institution in Far East. We have about 1,200 students. The nationality is actually over 40s. If we take into account the residents and visiting staff, the nationality goes up to 60.
It's a good mix of different type of knowledge and a different way of thinking.
We are a small university but highly internationalized. We've seen that the multicultural learning environment really brings in very vibrant learning atmosphere for our students. We have 6 faculties and 1 research institute.
We have established the Institute of Science and Environment that has precisely the function of investigating areas more related with environmental science.
One of the signature program is our Mangrove program.
A project that has been started by Dr. Karen from our department, studying the ecology of the local mangrove forests.
Mangroves are a special group of plants that exist or that live along the coastal, tropical, subtropical waters of the world.
And especially in this area, since we have so many typhoons and these kind of like catastrophes, we know that mangroves can be very useful as a natural barrier, for example.
So they serve like a green wall, okay, along the coast. So this protects the city, this can protect the coastline from erosion.
They are very useful as in the ecosystem because they have a lot of different animals and insects and plants.
There was a period that Macao's mangrove has been destroyed because of the development of the Cotai area.
That's actually the main reason why I started looking at the mangroves, to help understand the ecology and eventually, hopefully, to utilize our data or our results for conservation.
When I heard that mangroves are not as depleted as they used to be, I'm very happy with the work that actually we are doing.
One of the objectives of the university is to contribute in all the ways we can towards a more sustainable society and sustainable planet.
Before, especially Karen, like before maybe mangroves, they were not as important or people, they didn't know about them.
Local community engagement is a very important aspect. In a way, it's rooted in our tradition of this university.
So the involvement of the local community in the Mangroves project, I think it was natural. Hundreds, maybe thousands of kids have been passing through the projects that we developed.
For the younger ones, hopefully, they will be able to share this experience or the new things that they've learned with their parents, with their family, and their friends.
Local community engagement actually allows our students to really get into the fields, get into the communities, understand what really happens, so that they can apply what they learn in classroom to the reality, to the real scenarios, to the society, and really make an impact to help the development of the society.